Good morning, students. Now I am going to discuss indefinite integration, level 2, 37th question. In previous class, already we had discussed formulas. By using the formulas, we can solve this problem. See the question, how to do this? Let minus x square is equal to t. Apply the differentiation, minus 2x dx, that is equal to dt. Now finally, x dx is equal to minus dt divided by 2. Now those values substitute in the question. E power 5t sine of 4x square. Minus x square value is t. X square value minus t. So here we get minus 4t. X dx. X dx means what? Minus dt divided by 2. This is sine of minus theta minus sine theta. Already minus is there, it is going to positive. Now finally 1 by 2 into e power 5t sine 4t dt. Now this is in the form of integration e power ax sine of bx. Okay, now apply the formula 1 by 2 into e power 5t divided by a square plus b square. 5 square 25, 4 square 16 into 5 into sine of 4t minus 4 into cos of 4t plus some constant. Now finally substitute in place of t minus x square. So here we get e power minus 5x square divided by 25 plus 16, 41. 41 2s are 82. And in place of t substitute here minus x square. We get minus 5 sine of 4x square, because sine of minus theta minus sine theta, but cos of minus theta cos theta only, plus. Now compare the question and answer. What is k value here? Tell me. K value is 1 by 82. Then what is a value? A value is minus 5. Then b value minus 4. So which option is correct? Which option is correct? Third option is correct. Question number 38. See the question. How to do this? Integration 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square under root 1 plus x power 4 dx. So this is how to do. This type of models important in mains. Numerator take x square common. You will get 1 by x square minus 1. Okay. And denominator, how to do? 1 plus x square is there. There take x common. You will get 1 by x plus x into inside the root take x square common. X square common. You will get 1 by x square plus x square dx. Now inside the root x square is there, take outside. Already outside x is there, both our numerator and denominator is going to cancel. Now remaining part I am writing. Here, once take minus common, we get 1 minus 1 by x square divided by 1 by x plus x under root 1 by x square plus x square. So we got finally like this. Now let x plus 1 by x is equal to t. 1 derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x square dx is equal to dt. We got numerator part. But here 1 by x square plus x square is there. This is, do that squaring on both sides. What you will get? X square plus 1 by x square plus 2ab, 2 will come. The 2 send right hand side. So it will come like this, t square minus 2. Now those values substitute here, minus integration dt divided by t into under root, this is t square minus 2. After that, how to do? But here sine inverse terms are there. What is derivative of sine inverse x formula? 1 by under root 1 minus x square. So do one thing. In denominator inside the root, take t square common. Outside will come t. Under root 1 minus 2 by t square. So we got like this. So what about next step? Integration 1 by t square is there. I am writing root 2 by t square. Root 2 by t square. Here t square common, huh? Or we can take t common. No, t square only. A denominator we can write finally 1 minus, this is root 2 by t whole square. Here root 2 is not there in the numerator. So that's why I am writing multiplying and dividing. And extra minus is there, right here minus dt. Okay. Now you can write, that is in the form of like this, 1 by root 2 into sine inverse of root 2 by t plus c. Again here root 2 by t you can take u, then apply. 2 more steps are there, but I am writing directly 1 by root 2 sine inverse. What is t? What is t? X plus 1 by x. And substitute there, you will get like this. Denominator x square plus 1 plus c. In place of t, substitute x plus 1 by x. See the options. Which option is correct? First option. Thirty-ninth question. Integration sine theta minus cos theta divided by root sine 2 theta into d theta. Now how to do this? Here these type of models already we are done, I think. Let sine theta plus cos theta, take t, derivative of sine theta cos theta minus derivative of cos theta minus sine theta now into d theta that is equal to dt. So here take minus common and send to right hand side. Sin theta minus cos theta d theta, that is equal to minus dt. And here do that squaring on both sides. So you will get 2 sin theta cos theta value, that is t square minus 1. That means sin 2 theta t square minus 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. The 1 send right hand side. Now these values substitute in the question. What happened? Integration. Numerator part is minus dt divided by under root sin 2 theta value t square minus 1. What is integration 1 by under root x square minus 1? That is minus cos h inverse of t plus c. And see here, there is no cos h inverse. Logarithm type formulas are there. Cos h inverse of x formula, log mod t plus under root t square minus 1 plus c. Now substitute the values. Minus logarithm t means sin theta plus cos theta plus under root t square minus 1, that is we know well, very well, sin 2 theta plus c. This is the answer. Students, observe that which option is correct. Minus is there only in first option. That is the correct.